In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit lead status in Close CRM. Whether you're managing a small group of leads or a massive list, knowing how to efficiently update lead statuses can save you a lot of time and ensure your CRM stays organized and up to date. To begin, we're going to start on the Leads page of Close CRM. On the left sidebar, you'll find a menu, and from there, we're going to click on Leads. This will take you directly to your entire list of leads, where you can start working on customizing and updating their statuses. Next, it's time to narrow down your leads to just those you want to update. This step is crucial because it ensures that only the relevant leads are getting updated. Use the filter options provided to refine your list. Filters are very flexible here. You can use them based on lead status, custom fields, or other specific attributes that you might have set up. Taking the time to accurately filter your list will make this process much smoother and precise. Once you've applied your filters and you're looking at a list that you're certain needs updating, you'll want to select these leads. Close CRM makes this easy. Simply click the checkbox at the top of the list and it will select all the leads currently visible on your screen. But what if you have multiple pages of leads that satisfy your filter criteria? Don't worry, there's an option just for that. You can choose to select all leads across multiple pages that match your filter settings, ensuring none are left out. With your leads now selected, let's move on to the bulk editing process. Look to the upper right corner of your lead list for a button that says More. It looks like 3 dots together. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Bulk Edit to get started with your batch updates. At this point, you'll see the Bulk Edit modal pop up. Here, you're going to choose Update Lead Status from the array of available bulk actions. This is where you get to change the status of all those selected leads at once. Having chosen the action, you now need to set the new lead status. There's a drop-down menu for this step, allowing you to pick the exact status you wish to assign. If you want to make additional updates, such as modifying custom fields, the Bulk Edit modal allows you to select more actions at this stage as well. Now that everything is set, the final step is applying these changes. Simply click Apply to execute the bulk update. Close CRM will handle the processing, and though it might take a little bit of time depending on the size of your lead list, rest assured it's working in the background. You'll receive a confirmation email once the bulk edit is fully complete, letting you know the task has been successfully executed. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently bulk edit lead statuses in Close CRM. This not only optimizes your workflow, but also ensures your CRM data remains accurate and useful.